A race begins with 2.5 miles through town, continues through the park for 2 1/3 mile, and finishes at the track after the last 1/6 mile. A volunteer is stationed every quarter mile and at the finish line to pass out cups of water and cheer on the runners. How many volunteers are needed? So this is a multi-step problem that is going to require you to first add and then divide. So think about it. When you are adding, what are you going to add together? Good. You're going to add 2 1/2 plus 2 1/3 plus 1/6. This is going to tell you how many miles altogether the race was. When you add these up right now, you cannot add them up because you have different denominators. So what you have to do is you have to turn them into mixed numbers with the same denominator. So 2 1/2 is the same as 2 3/6 plus 2 1/3 is the same as 2 2/6 plus 1/6. Now you can add all of these up together. 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/6 plus 1 more 6 is 6/6. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 more is 5. So the entire race is 5 miles. I'm going to draw a tape diagram for that. 5 miles. The whole race is 5 miles. Okay, each section is separated into a mile. And now we talked about that we were going to divide. Okay, so you have to divide the sum that we got by what? 1/4. Good, because it says a volunteer is stationed every quarter mile. Every quarter mile. So every 1/4 of a mile, there's a volunteer. So how many quarter miles are in 5 miles? So it's 5 divided by 1/4. And if you divide each mile by 1/4, you get 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So there are 20 volunteers that are needed.